This is a clarification video on a trouble light that I bought about a year ago. These are ones I just picked up last week, and they're sold in this condition, all right, with the hook on the inside like this. And what you want to do is get the hook on the outside like this so it can actually hook onto something. Perhaps the ones that I bought about a year ago, and it was the subject of the earlier video, had a manufacturing defect in the sense that when you open this up, if there's too much plastic in this retainer here, you can't shove the hook out. And let me demonstrate. So if there's too much plastic there, the hook can't be shoved out, and that's why in the other video I had a cut here in order to get the hook so that it could be oriented in this manner. And so in this particular case, where just hook goes through the hole like that and is shoved in.